This Level 8 compression packing cube set offers a well-thought-out mix of extra large, medium, and small organizers that make it easy to divide clothing, underwear, and accessories for different trips. The compression zippers on the clothing cubes noticeably shrink down bulky items like sweaters and jackets, freeing up valuable space in a suitcase without straining the seams. Lightweight yet sturdy fabric keeps the cubes from adding much weight to your luggage while still feeling durable enough for frequent travel. The water repellent material gives reassuring protection against small spills or light moisture, which is especially helpful when packing in unpredictable weather. The dedicated shoe bag with its additional water-resistant base keeps dirty soles and residual moisture away from clean clothes in the main packing cubes. Simple styling and the integrated carrying handles make these cubes easy to grab from a suitcase, stack in a hotel drawer, or store neatly between trips.